Creating reference to other workbook. For example, I have opened three workbook. One is book 1, another is multiple time A, and third is a book 2. Suppose these are the three workbook which I want to get connected. How? Suppose if I have opened this workbook in which I'm writing a formula. See, I'm writing a formula like this, equals to sum, open the bracket. Now I'll just switch to the book 1 and select the number from there, switch back to the same worksheet and give a comma there, and then open another workbook from which you want to take the second number. So I'm taking second number from this. Again go back to the worksheet in which you were doing the calculation. Close the bracket and press enter. So it has added two numbers from different workbooks. One was from book. Can you see this in the formula? What is written? Equals to sum. One number is from book 1. Book 1 is the name of the file. Total number of tiger is the name of the sheet, and B9 is a cell which I want to add. I want to add this cell with second number which is from this AAA is the name of the worksheet, a workbook, the file, and sheet 2 is the name of the sheet, and A9 is that cell. These two are getting added, and this is a answer. This is a sum of those two numbers in the third file, in the third Excel workbook. So this is how we can create a reference to other workbook. I can also write down this instead of using the mouse, but this is a simpler to use mouse. Once you are comfortable with the mouse, then you just need to learn that you need to write the name of the workbook in the square bracket, then the name of the sheet, and then you have to close the codes which you have opened before the opening square brackets, and followed by exclamatory sign, and then the $B $9. The B9 is a cell. We need to use dollar before it because we are doing it with the reference. We are doing it with absolute reference. That's why this dollar sign is there. So you can just use the keyboard also like this. The next topic is hyperlink. For hyperlink, suppose if you want to make a hyperlink, you need to click on insert, you need to click on hyperlink. You can create a hyperlink. Suppose if you just want to type the cell reference, if you want to type the, for example, just a moment. Let's start with this existing file or web page. If you want to create a link with this file, you can click on OK. Now if you click on this file, you will be able to open that file for which you have created a link. Okay. Now I'll tell you insert hyperlink. In this existing file or web page, you can also write down the name of the you can open any of the browsed page which you have already browsed, or you can just write down the name of the web page also which you want to open. Suppose if I want to open google.com, I can just write down the name. As I will just click on this, I will be able to directly switch to google.com. Okay. I can create a new document also. I just need to give the name of the file and where I want to make that. I can change the location from here, and after that you click on OK. So this name file will be created at this location and you will be directing there. Your link will be created with that. Let me tell you again. Suppose if I want to create a link, insert hyperlink. I want to create a new document. I need to give the name of the new document, and then I can I do not want to edit the new document. I can click on OK. As if I will click on this, I will be able to reach to that new document. Okay. Insert hyperlink. Next option is I can choose this email address also, whom I want to send an email. I need to give the email address. I can write down the subject if I want. If I can click on OK, and once I will click on this, I will be able to open that mailbox. I just need to select with which I want to make mail, and I can directly reach there. I mean, from directly Excel I can open the compose window and I can write down the mail. One of the option is left, that is insert hyperlink, place in this document. I can select the place, for example, in the sheet 2. I am right now in the sheet 1. I am making a link for the sheet 2 and just click on OK. So if I just click on this, I will be reaching to sheet 2. See, we are in the sheet 2. Let me again tell you, insert hyperlink. I suppose if I want to make a link for the sheet 3 and I want to directly reach to say G56, click on OK, and as I will click on this, I will be in the sheet 3 and I am on G56, the cell G56. So that's it about the hyperlinks. Next is importing data from the external data sources. If I want to import the data from something else, for example, I will click on data from Access. I want to take the data from Access. Suppose a database 6 I want to open, and these are the objects of the database 6. Suppose if I want to open the query 8, I can click on OK. See, it has opened the query. It's a blank one. Let's try to open another one. Data from Access, database 6, query 1. Okay. Alright. Similarly, I can take a table also like data from Access, database 6, and I can choose the name of that table. Suppose student marks or student master table. Alright, this is how I can import the data from the external data sources also. So that's it, students. With this topic I have completed the chapter. Thank you.